The overall goal of this motion capture methodology is to provide an objective method to evaluate the movement performance quality and sensorimotor function of the upper extremity in individuals with stroke and in healthy controls.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of neurorehabilitation, such as how does a stroke influence upper extremity movements and recovery, and how this information can be used for selecting effective treatments. The main advantage of this technique is that specific movement deficits and recovery that might be undetected when using traditional clinical scales can be quantified in detail. Assisting us for the demonstration of the procedure today will be Ulla-Britt Bergström, who is an occupational therapist working at Neurorehabilitation Clinic at Sahlgrenska University Hospital.
To set the motion capture system, mount 4 cameras on the wall, approximately 1 to 3 meters away from the measurement area at the height of 1.5 to 2.5 meters facing the measurement area. Mount 1 camera on the ceiling just above the measurement area.
Placing one of the cameras on the ceiling with viewing angle over the entire measurement area was crucial for the data collection. This resulted in almost 100% successful data collection.
Start the camera system. Next, place the L-shaped calibration frame on the table with the short axis in line with the edge of the table and the long axis pointing forward. Then